Hello friends, today I will tell you something about this very special production we do at RM. What you see here looks like a simple aluminium tube, but it's not simple. It's just very special. What is the point that is so special? When you look inside, maybe you can see it in the camera view, you see that's not a tube, that's something else inside. And I want to explain what is inside. Our friends, our partners from a research institute gave us a point cloud with over 1.5 million single points in a very special dedicated way we have developed over years together with our friends from the research institute. And this point cloud is taken into our special system that allows us to derive some programs for our production machines, and these programs are called the numeric control program and C programs. The NC programs must be very special because the point here is we have an aluminium sample element here. In reality, this is made out of copper. Not only copper, again, it's a special element. It's a special copper. It's a copper powder combined with aluminium oxide ceramic powder, and then pressed together under high temperature. It's sintering, and then we have to machine the copper block from the full block to this shape, including the hole. And that's the tricky one, because it's not a rotation symmetric hole, it's a hole with a special shape. As I said, we have derived this in C programs from the point cloud. And when you look at it, it looks very simple, but it's not. The point is the accuracy of this machining must be very, very high. At the end of this process, we do a measurement on our specialized measurement machines with some very tricky, also tricky as everything at this element is, with very tricky way of measuring. And I have here some sample printouts of the measurement. You can see here, in total we have 33 items to measure. And very important in those days is all green. You have a complex element like this with a measurement protocol, all green. What is measured? We have measured in lines over the element and in circles over the element, using the original point cloud and compare it to the real produced element. And these measurements were transferred into a diagram like this, a plot diagram, and you see that red lines are the borders that are allowed, and we are far away from the allowed border. So very high preciseness and very, very tricky way of production for just such a simple element as you can see here. Now the final question is, why is this needed? It's needed for a high power gyrotron, and this high power gyrotron produces high power microwave. And what's the need for this microwave? You can see down in the description of the video, where we give you a link to the dedicated way these elements are used in research, and that's a spoiler, for fusion technology to produce the energy of the future. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video, and see you later again.